Hi guys, I'm going to show you Fat Math page 281 and 282, and I'm going to do both methods, the old school way and then the lattice way, because I know some of you like the lattice and some of you will like the old way. So I'm going to show you both. Here we go. So this is the first way. Traditional. This is how I grew up. This is how your parents grew up. So we're going to start with 43 times 33. Okay? So the first step is, remember in math, we start from right to left. Okay? So we're going to start with the bottom number 3. And we're going to kind of use that 3 to go and up and touch all the numbers at the top. So we're going to say 3 times 3 is 9. And then he's going to go to this guy, the 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So we just write all that down. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. That's it. There's no other numbers. He's done. That guy's done. Now we have to scooch on over to this guy. So we have to scooch on over down below. So we're going to put an X, because that's not this guy's spot right here. He had to scooch on over, so he has to scooch on over. So this is where he's going to start. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. And we just write those numbers down. Okay? So the reason that these numbers are the same is because this guy was the same for both. It's 33. So, but we had to scooch his row over. So after we've done the multiplication, now we add. So 9 plus x, nothing, 0, is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry the 1, so we just do normal addition now. Easy, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. And then we just bring down the 1. 1,419 is our answer. Okay? That's how you do the traditional way. The lattice way is we make a box, we make a square. And we make as many squares as the numbers that we have. So I'll show you what that looks like. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, so I need to make sure that I have 4 squares. So the first number goes on top, okay? Then the second number goes along the side. Okay, do you see how they're nice and neat and they fit in their row? Okay, then okay, because inside your math packet, you have some of these pages and they already have these lines for you and everything. You just got to plug in the math. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the math, but it's going to be set up this way. So what is 3 times 3? 9. Well, because this isn't a 2-digit answer, we're going to fill in with a 0. What is 3 times 4? 12. And because it is a 2-digit answer, I'm going to use both parts of the square now. So my 2 is going to go here, and my 1 is going to go there. Okay, so that guy is done. Check. Now we're going to move down to this guy. 3 times 3 is 9. It's a 1-digit answer, so we're going to put a 0 to hold that place in that square. Okay? 3 times 4 is 12. It's a 2-digit answer, so we're going to use both this part and that part. Now here is the awesome part. Now you're just going to add the rows. So there's nothing to add. This becomes 9. Just comes down. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So I put my 1 and I carry it to the next section. 0 plus 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And 1 plus, that's the only thing in this column, is 1. So now, 1, 4, 1, 9. And there you have it. Until the next one. I'm not done with this lesson, but I'm just done with the traditional and the lattice.